KOHO, prepaid friend or financial faux pas? Ever heard of a financial tool that offers cash back, builds your savings, and lets you manage your money like a boss? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, KOHO is making waves with its unique approach to banking, but here's the question, is KOHO actually a bank, and if so, what kind? Hold your horses, credit card cowboys, because KOHO doesn't quite fit the traditional banking mold. Let's ditch the suits and jargon for a sec and unpack what KOHO is all about. Imagine a debit card on steroids. You get a reloadable prepaid MasterCard connected to a slick budgeting app. That means you can only spend what you have in your account, but you also get perks like cashback rewards and interest on your savings. Not bad, right? So, is KOHO a bank? Not technically. KOHO operates as a financial technology company, or fintech for short. They partner with real banks to hold your money securely, but they handle the app, the card, and all the budgeting bells and whistles. Now, the prepaid part throws some folks off. Unlike a debit card linked to your checking account, you load money into your KOHO account beforehand. Think of it like a financial vault you fill before swiping your card. This might sound restrictive, but here's the beauty, it forces you to be mindful of your spending. No more overdrafts, no more racking up debt, KOHO keeps you accountable. But is being prepaid a weakness? Not necessarily. For those struggling with overspending, KOHO can be a lifesaver. It's like training wheels for your finances, helping you build healthy spending habits. Plus, KOHO offers features that rival traditional banks. Their app lets you track expenses, categorize your spending, and set goals. They even have a roundup feature that automatically saves the spare change from your purchases, a sneaky way to boost your savings without even noticing. Of course, KOHO isn't perfect. Since it's not a full-fledged bank, there are limitations. You might have to pay fees for certain transactions, and international money transfers could be a hassle. KOHO, the verdict. So, is KOHO right for you? If you're a budgeting warrior or someone looking to curb overspending, KOHO's a fantastic tool. The budgeting app, cashback rewards, and focus on saving are major pluses. However, if you need a full-service bank with features like international transfers or check writing, KOHO might not be enough. Ultimately, KOHO is a great option for those who want a modern and convenient way to manage their money. It's not a traditional bank replacement, but it can be a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.